In this video I'll be discussing question set number 46, and for this question set I'll be using the same database that I created in question set number 44. And now in the first question I've been told that the principal of the school has decided to include the data of grade 9 students in the first phase of this software, and I've been told that the name of the created database is DBMS school database. First I've been told to select the created database, and to do that I've been told to use DDL queries. So for that I'm going to first go to MySQL command line, and after that I'm going to first type my password, and after that to select the database I need to type use Ranabima underscore sch underscore db. And now if I execute this, I'll be getting an error message, and the reason for that is because I've misspelled use over here. So again, if I type use and then give the database name, sch underscore db, and after that, now if I execute it, it should work. And here I've got a message saying that saying database change, so that means this DDL query that I used is correct. So that will be the answer for the first question. And now in the second question I've been told that in the selected database a table named student has been created to store information of the students studying in grade 9 in the school, and I've been told to add all this data into that table using DDL queries. So first I'm going to open client line, and after that I'm going to type the insert query for this. So I need to type insert into, and after that I need to give the name of the table. So the name will be student, and after that in between the brackets I need to give these column names. So the first column is student ID, after that first name, then last name, and after that gender, and after that I need to give the home contact number, sorry, the contact number column, and after that I need to add the class column. So after that I need to just give the values for this table. So what I need to do is type values, and then in brackets I need to add all the values. So the first value will be the student ID, which is something that I don't need to use because I've already set it to auto increment, so I'll just leave that out. And also I need to erase this over here. So the first value that I'm going to give is the name, the first name, and after that the last name, next I need to give the gender, and after that the contact number, which is this number here, and after that I need to add the class. The class is of this student is 9B. So just like that I need to add the rest of the type 5 more queries to add the rest of the details. So after typing the rest of the queries and executing it, I'll be getting alerts like this. And if I want to now check if the data has been entered into this table, all I need to do is type the select query, and after that click enter, and I'll be getting the result like this. So that will be the answer for the second question of this question set. And now the third question, I've been told to add data into the subject table that I created earlier. So to do that, again I'm going to first go to the command line, and after that I'm going to type in the insert query for adding data. So I'm going to begin by typing insert into subject, and after that I need to give the names of the two columns. In this case, since the subject ID is already set to auto increment, I don't need to insert any data manually, so I need to only type the subject name column, and after that type values, and after that I need to type these subject names. The first is religion, and now if I execute this, I'll be getting an alert like this that says query OK. That means the data has been added into that subject table. Now all I need to do is type 5 more queries to add the rest of the subject names. So once after typing the rest of the queries and executing it, I'll be getting alerts like this. And after that, if I want to check if the data has been added into the table, all I need to do is again type the search query to find the rows in that table. So I can type select all from subject and execute this, and now here you can see that the subject table has loaded. So that will be the answer for question number 3. And in question number 4, I've been told to add this given data into the teacher table. So to do that, I'm going to first open command line, and after that type a query like this: insert into teacher, and after that I need to give the column names. The first one will be teacher ID, first name, after that gender and contact number, after that finally I need to give the email, and after that I need to set the values. The first one will be the first name, after that the last name, and after that the gender, after that the contact number, and after that I need to give the email address, and now if I execute this, I'll be getting an alert like this saying query OK. So that means the data has been added into that teacher table. So again I need to type 4 more queries and add the rest of the data. So now after entering the rest of the queries and executing it, now I can just check to see if the data has been entered. So for that I need to type select, now here we can see that all the data has been entered into the teacher table. So that will be the answer for the 4th question, and that's all I've been told to do in the 46th question. So that's all for this video.